Hello everyone, welcome to Equationally Yours. So today we will learn to multiply numbers by 6. So the first number that we'll be considering for today is 293 into 6. Now this is going to take quite some time if you really have to do 6 into 3 and then carry it over and things like that. So here's an easy method. So now you know that 3 is an odd number. So what do you do to an odd number in this case? To an odd number you add 5. Alright, and you do half its neighbor. So you see that 3 has no neighbor here. So the neighbor here is 0. So that would be 3 plus 5 into half the neighbor. This term gets cancelled out. So you only have 5 plus 3, which is 8. And the most important thing is don't forget to add a 0 here before you could start. Alright, so the next thing is, the next number that you have here is 9, which is also an odd number. So what do? Add 9 plus 5. This is my working out column, so I'll just show it to you here. 9 plus 5 plus half the neighbor to the right. So this is it. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So half of 3 is 1.5, but in this case we'll be considering it to be 1. So that would give me 15. So carry it over. 1, 5. Now we have 2. 2 is an even number, so you don't need to add 5 to it. But you already have this carried over 1, so write a 1 here. And half its neighbor to the right, which is 9. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and half its neighbor, which is 9, it comes to 4.5, but in this case we'll be considering it to be 4. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So write down 7. And now we have 0. What do we do about this 0? Well, nothing. All you have to do is write 0 and half its neighbor, which is 2. So 0 plus half of 2 would be 1. So your answer is 1. So that's the easiest way you can multiply a number with 6. We can proceed further with another easy number this time. And I would choose 27. 27 into 6. Right? So now, same old trick. You have 7. 7 has no neighbor. So what do? You write 7 plus 5. 5 because it's odd. 7 is an odd number. So 5 plus 7 plus half its neighbor, which is 0 here. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So write 1 here. Write 2 here. And again, don't forget to write down the 0 here. It's really essential. So next you have 2. So write down 2. 2 is an even number, so you don't need to add 5 to it. And then you write half its neighbor, which is 7. So that would be 2 plus half of 7 is 3.5. In this case, we'll be considering it to be 3. Plus, don't forget this one that you have carried over. So that would be 6. Alright. And then we have 0 here. You don't add 5 to it now. So what you do is you just write 0 plus nothing is carried over, and then you write half its neighbor, which is 2 here. So that would be 2 plus 1, 1. So this is it. Also let me know what 13 into 6 is in the comment. This is quite a simple method, and we also know that with practice comes perfection. So you have to try this out 4-5 times with the content that you are familiar with. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.